Paderborn Center for Parallel Computing was established in the early 1990s. So the initial mission of the institute back then was to develop fundamental algorithms in parallel computers and in computer science. So later on we also started to provide HPC services to our scientists. So in addition to service, we are also active in the research area. And our research revolves around the questions on developing new methods, algorithms and design tools on making innovative computer architectures more usable for high-performance computing. So over the last 25 years, parallel computing has moved from a fringe topic in computer science to an essential technology in many sciences. So around 2010 it became evident that the demand from computational sciences was rapidly outgrowing the available HPC resources. So we procured a new HPC system named Oculus in 2013. So since the installation of the Oculus systems, we've seen an even increased demand for HPC resources, both from our local users, but also from other research institutions in Germany. So in 2016, we started the Noctua project. So the beginning of this project was the strategic decision to build a new computing center, which is specifically optimized for high-performance computing systems. So to satisfy the increased HPC demand of our users before we have completed the new compute center, we decided to procure the Noctua HPC system in two phases. So the first phase will be installed and operated in parallel to Oculus in our current center, and the second phase will then be installed in the new computing center. Cray won the contracts to deliver a Cray CS Storm system with more than 10,000 cores. So the system has a substantially higher performance than Oculus, although it is only a third of the size and consumes about half of the power. The innovative aspect of our system will be that it features 32 FPGA acceleration boards with the latest Intel Stratix 10 technology. So this system will also serve as a testbed for developing and validating our work on accelerating HPC applications with FPGAs. So we expect at the time of the installation that this will be one of the largest or even the largest academic HPC systems with state-of-the-art FPGAs worldwide. Overall, our Noctua project lays the foundation for an excellent and innovative high-performance computing infrastructure, enabling the research of the future.